Hey guys, it's Lauren here. Today we are going to be making slime with my friend, Rosie.
Hi. I can't wait.
And so we got everything we need. We have the shaving cream, we have the baking soda, everything. So we only have a little bit of glue left, so we're going to start off with that. Just dump the whole thing in.
Come on. Glue. Here. Fight it, glue. Fight it. Oh, yay, glue.
Okay, there's a little bit.
Yeah, there's a little bit.
But we're dumping the whole thing in.
Are you going to buy more glue?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like slowly coming in.
Can I go wash my hands?
Yeah, you go up and wash your hands. It's like slowly coming.
Can you knock on the next one?
Huh?
Can you knock on the next thing?
Oh, did I get glue? I did. I got glue in my hair. Yeah. Just slowly pour this out. You could grab a snack, do anything you want right now, because this might take a while. You can hear voices in the background because we are having a party going on. Like and subscribe if you would like to see more videos. We might do challenges, so comment in the comments below what you would like to see. Shout out to Brenda for subscribing. Thank you, Brenda, so much for subscribing. And I'm starting this new thing. If you say, I've subscribed on one of my videos, I will write your name on a notepad and shout out to you in a video. So we have only a little bit right now, but we do have some other bottles of glue that I think will work. So just going to use this right now, school glue. I'm going to use a bit of this, okay? A bit. Pours in the whole bottle. A bit. So this is freshly new. I have like green dye all over my hands from touching like green dye. I am trying to open this. This is not working properly. Okay, let's see. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, sure. Okay, I think I'm getting into it. Maybe a bit. Yeah, I'm definitely. So it's like opening function. Yep, got it. So we'll dump some of this in too. That looks good. Now the bottle is somewhat almost filled. So I think that will be good. Yeah, that will be good. So adding glue complete. Rosie is coming back, so we have it.
Wait, did you put anything in?
No, I didn't.
Are you just putting that in?
Yeah, because we ran out of
It's
time.
extra glue.
So now we are going to add the baking soda.
Can I put it in?
Yes. 1 spoonful of this. Here, ready?
I want to hold it. Let me hold it.
Okay, ready? Now just dump it in. Yay!
Now what?
Dumped it in. Okay. Now, I think that's going to be good.
Can I mix it?
Yeah, mix that together. Now we are going to add the shaving cream.
Okay.
Ready? Still should be white.
So can I
Shouldn't be
spread
other.
it?
Put this in there. Okay, ready? Hold this.
It looks so fluffy.
Exactly. Do you want it really fluffy?
Yes.
Okay. And also, we are going to put some lotion in.
Wait, it's going to be so fluffy.
Lotion makes slime soft, so I'm going to have to put this down for a little bit to dump this in properly. Okay, guys, now we have the slime.
Can I mix it?
It looks super fluffy.
I need to mix it.
Yes, mix it, please. And also, we are going to add this whole thing of sparkles.
Can
to
I
make
do it?
Super sparkly.
Can I mix it? Can I do it?
Actually, maybe not the whole thing. We're gonna add a lot, though. A lot. Whoosh.
I love sparkles.
She loves sparkles. Here, let's bring this over there more so we can see your little face. Your cute little face. Do you think that's good?
Yeah.
Okay. That should be good.
Now mix it.
Yes, she is mixing the slime. Here, Rosie, come over here a little bit. Okay? There's the slime.
It's not very sparkly.
It will be sparkly. Now I am going to add
Can I do
the
it?
dye. We don't have pink dye, so we
Okay.
are adding red dye. Obviously, this is a progress, and you'll get dye everywhere. So
Okay. Wait, is it going to stain?
if we get this somewhere else. So do you want like light pink? Yeah, that should be good.
Yeah, that's good.
Can
I mix it?
Like, look at my hands now. It looks like I just murdered someone.
Wait, can I mix it?
Okay, I'm getting some towel.
Can I mix it?
Yeah.
Whoa! It looks like red slime.
Should turn pink.
Whoa! Wait, I like. We can have a little more.
That's going to be like. Do you like that pink?
I like it
Oh,
lighter,
excuse me.
lighter.
Lighter?
Yeah.
Okay, well, it's going to be lighter. Okay. I always have trouble opening the slime bottles. Just wanna. Can you open this? If you can open this, I would be amazed.
I can.
Yeah, like, she can't, I can't. What the heck?
How about Mrs. Shaver can?
No, that wouldn't work. Shaving cream wouldn't work.
Hey, shaving cream. Build up.
Try to pour more of this
Okay.
out. I might just have to do this.
It's not working.
So, like, just squirt it down like this, and some might come out like that, okay? Just squirt it down like that. Okay? Here you go.
Thanks.
I wouldn't recommend doing that. Okay, ready? Gonna dump some in. Not a lot, just that much.
Is that good?
Yeah, now mix. You can't really see, but the slime is actually turning out pretty well.
I really want more pink. Wait, what is that for?
That is more shaving cream, just in case if we run out on this good stuff. If you don't know, shaving cream feels like a cloud. I have some on my
Can I
hands.
feel it?
Bloop.
Oh my gosh.
The slime.
Can I mix it?
Yeah, mix.
It's my slime.
Bloop.
Ew.
Oh.
Okay, I got stuff on my hand.
Everywhere.
Mixing up the clouds.
Mixing up the clouds.
I need more sparkle. There's no sparkle.
There should be a little bit of sparkle in there.
I can't even see sparkles.
Well, this is all we have, so.
Wait, is that
Not
all?
all we have.
Yeah. Is it just? Wait,
It's all we have in the basement right now.
Is that all? Like, is that? Wait, so do you only have one bottle of sparkles? Like, one bottle of
Let me see if I could undo this. No, I can't. It's not physically possible. Oh my gosh, Rosie, don't mix this. This looks super cool right now. It's like,
Can I mix it now?
you probably can't see it because of the lighting,
Can I mix
but
it now?
hopefully you can. Yeah, mix. Oh my gosh, from there it looks like a Hawaiian punch bowl.
Yeah, fumble.
I'm gonna touch it just to see how it's working. Okay, I know what we need. Activator. So if it's like sticky, not going anywhere, activator.
Can
So
you hold
you need
it?
to get down there.
Can
and
you
really
hold the broom?
pour it. Okay.
Is it good?
We might need a little bit more of activator. Okay?
Just put a lot.
You like sticky slime, right?
No.
Okay. So this would be bad for you. Well, not bad for you, but you want it like that. I'm gonna add a pinch of baking soda.
Can I put a pinch?
Mm-hmm.
Pinch.
Put
Where's
a
the
tiny
spoon?
pinch right there. Just pinch it. No, that's too much. Way too much.
Is that good?
No, way too much. Just a pinch like that. Pinch. Nope. Okay, now mix
got
that in. And you want lotion so it smells good?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is turning out really well so far. I'll show you it after this.
Get some on the lip.
Okay, that's a lot of lotion, but we want super soft slime. Super soft slime.
Whoa, it's turning white now.
Super soft slime. You wanted it later, right?
Oh,
Here,
yeah.
let me feel it. Okay.
Is it good?
We might have to mix it with our hands.
Can you mix? I don't want my hands. Okay, fine. I will do it.
Yeah, do it with your hands.
Can you let go now?
Yeah, we just need a good mixing.
Oh,
Then tell me what you feel. Tell me what you feel.
Okay, I feel like clouds and slime mixed
Okay.
together.
No, like, is it sticky? Is it hard?
It's sticky and hard.
Okay.
Mm.
Very sticky.
It's not even coming off my hands.
Yeah, let me.
Remember when I wanted blue slime and you got it all over your hands?
Huh?
Or was it pink slime or blue slime? When you got
Oh,
it
yeah,
all
that
over-
was blue slime. That was way too much.
I know. Can you put some
Someone, like,
on
pour the bottle in there. We need baking soda.
I can. Can you make it so?
Now both of our hands are really sticky.
Yeah.
We don't know what to do.
Yeah,
Well, I don't know what to do.
How about I go
Here,
get
this is my solution. Pour it on the table. Haha.
Yeah.
No, Rosie, don't do that. Now we're like making the camera all sticky. And
Yeah.
Rosie, don't play with it, okay?
Okay.
Oh,
I
just.
Woohoo.
That looks so wrong. Like, when it, I got it on my pants. No, just put your hands in it, okay?
Wait, I'm making my
I'm
picture.
getting tissue. Well, not tissue. I wouldn't get tissue.
How about I
I'm
put
getting
some?
tissue to blow our nose. Rosie.
A second.
Okay. No, Rosie. Rosie.
Ugh.
See, put your, look like this. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we need more of that. We need more of that. No, you're squirting it on the floor.
Oopsies. Now what? Oopsies.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Get more of this.
Or what?
Yes.
This?
Okay, this is turning into complete chaos here.
Yes, chaos. Chaos. I don't want a cap in my slime.
Okay, well, get it out then.
Ooh, how about you just push all the slime over there?
That's where the caps are.
Ew.
Dwee.
Can
Dwee. Okay. So ready?
You got-
We're getting it all on the floor and stuff. Rosalie, don't do that.
I put more baking soda in here?
Do you like it sticky? Somewhat sticky?
No.
Or not sticky at all? Where
Not
it's just hard as the
sticky.
rock.
Can I put this on there?
Yeah. Stop.
Okay. Whew, it's getting
Okay, this is gonna be hard. Really hard.
Yeah, really hard. Yeah. Well, this could be like a. Whoa. Need more baking? Need more sing?
Yeah, that is so messy. No, Rosie. Okay. Here. Do you like this?
Okay. It's a little too sticky. I like not sticky.
That's not sticky at all. Here. Wait, give this to me. Ready? Oh, don't put it over the floor. You might have to buy new carpet for us.
I have so much money I could do that. Okay, no.
How much money do you have?
A lot.
Okay, well, that was like a couple hundred.
Ew, I do not have $100. Wait,
Well,
can
you
I?
need way more than 100.
How about I get some more of that? Can I get more of that?
No.
Okay.
Just listen. Okay.
Wait, actually, I love sticky slime.
You do?
Yeah. So more baking soda.
Here, Rosie. You have sticky hands. That might be why. Okay. So I think that's good.
Yeah.
Okay. So you will play with this over here, and I am going to go to Operation Slime.
Okay.
I'm going to have to take a bath after this
Yeah.
because it's like all over my
How about I
stuff.
put some more?
No, don't do that.
Okay. Oh, I love pink slime. I'm gonna make. Hey.
I'm just gonna dump that out. Wait,
What?
dump it out of the bowl.
This is so
This looks
good.
so wrong on the screen. Oh, that looks.
Look it.
Oh my gosh, that looks so pretty. Wow. On like the table, well, we are doing another no bucket challenge. Worked pretty good last
Can
time.
I have more shaving cream? I mean, sticky slime thingy.
Remove the stick or more sticky?
More sticky.
Well, you wanted less sticky, so I don't know what to tell you.
Can I put this in?
Can't do the undo button. Yeah, my mom needs a new phone after this.
Yeah, she does. Yeah. Whoa. Oh my gosh, it's sticking to the bottom.
Okay. No, don't do that, Rosie. You know what? We might even need a new table. You have that money? No.
No. Wait, is what? Wait, how
A
much?
new table is like $1,000, you know.
We got our table for $2.
$2? No, you didn't.
Not for like $100. Look at my hands.
No, it's not 100. It's way more than 100.
Wait.
Okay, this is good to me, but to her it would be really sticky. So let's add some.
I'm just taking off all my slime on the slime.
Oh my gosh, it is like going on the floor for you. Now it's on my jeans. Oh geez, now I. Thank goodness we are going shopping tomorrow.
Yes.
But tomorrow's catechism. Oh my gosh.
Wait, are you wearing those catechisms?
Huh?
Are you wearing them to catechism?
No.
Wait, are you in your mom's class?
No. She teaches 2nd grade.
I love your mom. Remember when I had to go to your church?
No.
Like, not had. Like, remember when I went to your church?
No.
I came. Wait, it's not sticking onto my hands.
You like it? I think this would be good. So,
Feel it.
no, it's not
Wait,
that
if you plant it more,
stretchy.
if you plant it more, it won't stick.
Yeah, what she said. My jeans are like a wreck right now.
Yeah, you could just wash them.
That wouldn't work. This is really jiggly. I really like
Jiggle,
it,
jiggle.
but not that much.
Oh, thank goodness.
Really pokey. Not really
Thank
pokey,
goodness
but
this is
pokey.
not slime. Wait, it's not. Ah, it's not.
That was normal.
Yeah, that's normal.
So that might be the end of the video.
Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoyed. Here, Rosie, can I see this? There's still
I
some of
just
it.
have some of it.
It might be like 1 more minute. This is it so far.
Wait, can we put some more sparkle? I can't find sparkle.
Yeah, right here. There you go. She's adding more sparkle, and I am trying to
Wait,
get
can
this.
I add some more baking soda?
No, that's going to make it that worse.
Can you like slide it down for me? Can you slide it down?
And then you have to do it your own. I'll show you how to do it.
Trying to big pancake. Are you excited to make s'mores?
Huh?
Are you excited to make s'mores?
Oh yeah. So this is like kind
Next
of like.
thing. Wait, you
I
could be-
honestly don't know what time it is, but
These are so. No, I just got them.
Okay, well, pick them up before they run on the carpet. Where's Lee?
Get and go on the carpet.
Okay, well, there we have it.
This slime is the best. Thank you, Lauren.
You're welcome.
Actually, I made it, but yeah. I'm just thanking you for all the slime you got. For all these.
Okay, ready? I dump this in it. Ready?
Thank you.
That sounded so wrong. Sounded like a jiggly something. I don't know, a jiggly fish?
right?
Like a fish, like jiggly.
Yeah.
Okay, so,
Is that blood?
no, this is a lot of dye. Now we need a new table. Mom! We need a new table, Mom.
Will I get it for you?
Yeah, probably. Most likely. But that's really bad.
At least it's more lighter.
Huh?
At least it's more lighter.
No, red is a really dark color.
Hey, looks good. Hey, slime,
Okay.
do
It's
this.
okay. It's okay.
Yeah, it's good.
So, now let me just show you what happened. Now my hands are like sticky everywhere. Okay, so ready? My jeans are like a wreck. Everyone's falling off the table. And the table, oh gee whiz.
Yeah, oh geez whiz. Yeah, you should get a new table.
Yeah, probably should. What do you think?
Did
Did you like this video?
Yes. I just want to see the video.
So make sure to leave a big thumbs up if you liked it.
And if you don't like it, thumbs down.
Yes, so we know who...
I love this slime.